Good morning, everybody. Happy Friday. It is August 7th, and it is 5:50 a.m. in the morning. So before we get started in around St. Louis and Chester and Randolph County area, we do have a few showers coming our way. A little bit of lightning with it. Whether it dissipates before it gets to Chester, I have no clue. Anyways, overall, guys, today in and around St. Louis, Cape Girardeau, and Chester area in Randolph County, we do have a 30% chance of maybe some showers or thunderstorms this morning, and then in the evening time, a 40% chance. It's going to be partly sunny today, and then partly cloudy to mostly cloudy in the evening time. Other than that, right here, we do have a batch from Wichita all the way up to Marysville here in Kansas. And we do have a couple thunderstorm warnings right there in, looks like South Dakota from just around, looks like Salem to Brookings. And then we do have one up here in and around Lake George there in Minnesota. Other than that, we do have a few showers in and around Ohio, going from Cleveland to Erie and Columbus, all the way down to Cincinnati. And a couple spots here in West Virginia around Morgantown. Other than that, guys, that's all I've got as far as your weather. We do have 60-mile-an-hour winds around Wichita. We did have around 70-mile-an-hour this morning and around south of Amarillo. Other than that, let's get to our current weather here in Chester. Broken clouds, temperatures at 70, feels like 71. The wind speed is at 2 miles per hour, and the humidity is at 93%. So for today, our high is going to be around, looks like 87, 88 in and around Randolph County. It looks like 89 in Chester and 91 in Kaskaskia, with our lows around 68. As around the nation, and you can see I am a perfect drawer. Anywhere from the northern part all the way down to the southwest and to the central and southern plains. In this hash mark area, you can expect triple digits in these darker color areas and the grays. So the midsection of California, you can see some triple digits, and anywhere up here south of Spokane and Seattle, these darker color areas, expect that for today. Other than that, guys, what I want to show you today, just something new that we have, and this is the model. This is the smoke that is in the upper atmosphere from these fires. I'm gonna go ahead and put this in play, and you see we have a couple fires up in here and around looks like Canada, going into Washington and into Oregon, and then we got a couple of fires down here south of Salt Lake City, south of Denver. These darker color areas, looks like a couple fires that have gone up. But this is the smoke that'll reach us. It'll maybe give us a little haze if we do have some sun show up. If there's a little bit of a haze out there, that's what that's going to be. Other than that, guys, as far as your air quality, this is the smoke near the surface. So anywhere from, looks like Washington, Oregon, going into Montana, and it looks like down here in Wyoming. And if you're in the area of these fires in Utah and Colorado, which is around Richfield, there in Utah, and around Lake City in Colorado, you guys will have some poor air quality. As far as that, we're going to go ahead and get to our SPC outlook for today, guys. Anywhere from the southwest and the central southern plains to the east coast, guys, you're looking at general thunder. So it's possible to have thunderstorms anywhere in this pop-up thunderstorms. As far as your marginal risk, anywhere from Albuquerque to Woodard, Oklahoma, in this area you got a marginal risk, and anywhere from Winter, looks like Phillip and Murdo in South Dakota, all the way down to around Mullen in Nebraska. You guys have got a marginal risk, and anywhere just north of Kansas City, all the way up to Marquette in Michigan, Minneapolis, you guys will be in that marginal threat. And of course, over here, Charlottesville, Virginia, all the way up to and around Poughkeepsie and Brookhaven, you guys will be at a marginal threat. And anywhere from New York to Washington, you'll be in that slight risk for severe weather today. We do not have a tornado risk. We get to our wind risk real quick. Down here in New Mexico, going into Texas and Panhandle, Oklahoma, anywhere from Clayton, Amarillo, Clovis, And it looks like maybe Santa Rosa, you guys will be in that 5% is the wind risk, but you're also in that Sig 1 where you can have 74 plus mile an hour winds. If we get up here into the Central Plains going into the upper Mississippi Valley here, you guys will be in that 5% as far as your wind risk. And we get over here anywhere, of course, from Charlottesville, Virginia, all the way up here to around Bridgeport, Poughkeepsie, and Brookhaven. You guys will be in that 5%. Anywhere from Washington to New York, you guys will be in the 15% as far as your wind risk. Your hail risk, guys, will be anywhere from Omaha to Duluth, to include Minneapolis, Wausau, and Des Moines. You guys will be in that 5% hail risk, and anywhere from Winter to and Murdo and Phillip here in South Dakota, all the way down to Mullen. In Nebraska, you guys will be in that 5% as far as your hail risk. Other than that, guys, that's all I got. Remember, today, anything is possible here in Chester. We got 30% chance this morning and a 40% chance this evening. So partly sunny during the day and partly cloudy to mostly cloudy during the evening time. And again, we do have a couple of this showers right here off to our west. So other than that, guys, I will see you tomorrow. Have a good Friday.